Hello and welcome. This is the DJI Neo, and basically it's a self-flying drone, a bit like a selfie drone almost. But I want to know, is it any good for the entertainers? Is it any good to get promotional shots? Is it any good for vlogging or anything like that? So I'm down a big open playing field to give it a try, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the boomerang shot. It's gone up, it's gone away, it's now going up and over. So you can imagine if you was entertaining somewhere, doing a street event, it can just fly off. And it should do. So it's gonna go up and around, keeping me still in the spotlight. It'll go all the way around, so it's slowly getting a larger circle on the way out. So a real nice sort of... Hello? Okay, so this is direction track. Meaning, if I was making balloons and I could be walking this way, and it's going to sort of just go over that way. Yeah. If I then decide to stop and come back, it should start following me back. Yeah. So if you're doing a little bit of walk around, ballooning or something like that, you can sort of run at it and it will run back. There's numerous sort of things that we can do. This is set, no one's going to hit it or anything like that. I don't know if I go this way, if it's going to follow me. Yeah, so it's currently following me, and I can go around this way. I can spin around and it's following me. I can stop. And if I press stop, there we go. So you've just seen the footage from the DJI Neo. Is it any good? You know what? Without a shadow of a doubt, it's my first proper drone, and you was easily able to fly it straight away. No controller, no nothing. You can pay more and you can get controllers and everything like that. But for myself and for what I'm going to use it for, just having the drone, just being able to use it on the phone if I really need to. But the automatic controls of like the droney and the follow and the rocket and everything like that, all the clips that you've just seen, was purely done with the phone and the drone. Would I recommend it for entertainers? Absolutely, 100%. Just think about the stuff that you're going to be able to film from different angles and everything like that. Now, obviously, at certain places you can't fly it, but I mean, it's only 130 odd grams. You need an operator's license and everything like that for it, but that's £11 a year. But yeah, there you go, little tiny thing that flies off your hand, everything like that. It'd be great for walk around and stuff like this, having it flying high above you, watching what you're doing, especially if you are doing bubbles. I think I'm going to make some bubble mixture up, and I'm going to do a little video promotion of doing bubbles and everything like that. And I think this is going to look really good up high, just filming all the bubbles and everything like that. It's going to be great. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think you would use it? Don't you think you'd use it? I don't know. Yeah, let us know. Bye.